If you have ever felt bored of seeing the same lock screen every day, or if you're looking for a simple way to change your lock screen wallpaper on your Windows computer or laptop, you are in the right place. You probably think it's hard, but it's actually super easy. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your lock screen wallpaper and photo in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First thing, you're gonna go down, open the start menu and open settings. Here on the left side, you're going to select personalization, and here you're going to go to lock screen. Here in personalize your lock screen, you're going to click here so you can choose the one that you want. If you want maybe a picture or window spotlight or maybe a slideshow. Here in picture, you can choose from your recent images, or maybe you can choose a picture from your files. Here there is window spotlight and also a slideshow. And this is how you can change your lock screen wallpaper on your Windows computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.